Jai Shankar children, we have a special guest with us today.
Jai Shankar, Mama Nama Ashuhu.
Kallola Prasange Swagatam.
Dhanyavadaha.
Tell me Ashu, what are you going to tell your friends today?
I have something for you.
For me? Oh, a picture. A picture of Bal Hanuman. This is cute. Thank you, Ashu. Did you draw this?
Yes.
Uttamam Chitralekhanam.
Dhanyavadaha. Hanumanji is my favorite god. He is not afraid of anyone. He can fight asuras, dishum, and kill all of them. He does everything that Sri Ram tells him to. Today is Hanumanji's birthday.
Yes, today is Chaitra Shukla Purnima. It is Hanuman Jayanti today.
Pachi, do you know other names of Lord Hanuman?
I was about to ask him the same question. Of course, Ashu. Rama Bhakta, Pavana Putra, Anjaneya.
Anjaneya Swami.
Correct.
And Sita Pati Dutaha.
Yes. I'm impressed, Ashu. How do you know these long names?
I like to listen to Swamiji's bhajans. Anjaneya Swami is my favorite.
Then why don't you sing it for us?
No.
Come on, Ashu. There is nothing to be afraid of or to feel shy about. I'm sure they will all like to listen to you sing. All right. Ashu wants to first listen to a story of Hanumanji. Which story about Hanumanji would you like to listen to? The story in which he leaps up to get the sun, or the story in which he carries a mountain to save Lakshman's life?
I have heard all those stories many times.
Have you heard the story of Hanumanji tearing apart his chest?
No. Can you tell that story, please?
All right. So you sit right here and listen. Shri Ramaha Lanka Yuddhe Vijayi Abhavat. Saha Ravanam Hatva Vibhishanaya Lanka Rajyam Dattavan. Tataha Bhagavan Shri Ramaha Devi Sita Bhrata Lakshmanaha cha Vanarasenaya saha Ayodhyam Pratyagataha. Tatra Shri Ramasya Rajyabhishekah abhavat. Saha Ayodhyayaha Raja abhavat. Ayodhyayam sarvatra Anandotsavah asit. Rajyabhishekat anantaram Shri Ramaha Sarvan Vanaran Ahutavan. Saha Vanarebhyaha Upayanani Dattavan. Ante Saha Hanumantam Ahvayat. Yada Mahaviraha Hanuman Purataha Agataha. Tada Shri Ramaha Devim Sitam Prishtavan. Mama Priyatamaya Sevakaya Kim Upayanam Datavyam. Devi Sita Mandam Hasitavati. Sa Anjaneyam Prishtavati. Vatsa Tvam Kim Ichhasi. जितेन्द्रियः हनुमान् विनम्रतया अवदत्, मातः, अहं किमपि न इच्छामि। तदा माता सीता स्वस्य कण्ठतः मौक्तिकमालां निष्कास्य तस्मै दत्तवती। कपीश्वरः हनुमान् विनम्रतया तां मालां स्वीकृतवान्। ततः सः मालायाः मणीन् परीक्षितवान्। एकैकं मणिं दन्तैः भग्नं कृतवान्, अन्तः दृष्टवान्, मस्तकं चालयित्वा क्षिप्तवान् च। सभायाम् उपस्थिताः सर्वे चकिताः अभवन्। ते परस्परम् उक्तवन्तः, वानरयूथमुख्यः हनुमान् साधारणः वानरः इव आचरति खलु? माता सीता पृष्टवती, एवं किमर्थं करोषि वत्स? पवनपुत्रः हनुमान् अवदत्, मातः, त्वत्तः प्राप्तः हारः निश्चयेन महार्घः, किन्तु अहं पश्यामि एतेषु मणिषु मम ईशः, मम श्रीरामः अस्ति वा इति। तेन रहितम् एकम् अपि वस्तु अहं न धारयामि। अत्र एकस्मिन् अपि मणौ मम श्रीरामस्य नाम अपि नास्ति। तदा लक्ष्मणः कोपेन अवदत्, हे रामभक्त, यदि रामनामरहितं किमपि न धारयसि, तर्हि एतत् शरीरं कथं धारयसि? तव शरीरे अस्ति वा श्रीरामः? रामदासः हनुमान् विश्वासेन अवदत्, अथ किम्? तदनन्तरं किम् अभवत्? महाबली हनुमान् स्वस्य वक्षः विदार्य सर्वेभ्यः दर्शितवान्। अहो आश्चर्यम्! तस्य हृदये विराजमानः आसीत् देव्या सीतया सह भगवान् श्रीरामः। जयतु जयतु रामभक्तः, जयतु जयतु हनुमान्। Did you like the story, Ashu?
Yes.
Hanumanji's stories are so inspiring. He is an ideal bhakta, an ideal shishya, one who has completely surrendered to his master. He is a role model for all of us, isn't it, Ashu? Certainly. The stage is all yours.
Jai Shankar, I want to sing this bhajan for you. Anjaneya Swami Satata Bhajana Nirata Atma Rama Mune सीतापति दूता आत्मा राम मुने सीतापति दूता सीतापति दूता। धन्यवादः।
That was wonderful singing, Ashu.
धन्यवादः।
Tell me, earlier you were so scared and now you sang with so much confidence. So what made Ashu go from I cannot do this to I can do this?
Hanumanji. I told Hanumanji, please come and sit in my heart. And then I felt, if he is with me, I can do it.
Dhanyosi tvam Ashu. Your beloved deity could be Lord Hanuman or Lord Ganesh, Devi Durga or Lord Bhavani Shankar or your Guru. When you have complete faith that God loves you and is always with you, you will experience the magic yourself. Do you know what Pujya Swamiji tells us? When your Ishta Devata begins to guide you, you are convinced that you are not alone. You are protected and guided by your beloved deity established in your heart. In the last episode, you had to tell Nilagiri Parvatasya Guhayam Vyagraha Asti iti Sandesham Kaha Khagaha Anitavan Uttaram Asti Olokaha. Today's question: how many names of Lord Hanuman were mentioned in the story? Kathayam Hanumataha Kati Namani Asan. Shh! Aji sangche na, mukhavel fan sangche. At hai sang. Ho vigrah khayasa. Shirali mathanto Ramanjaneya. हनुमान जयंती दिसो रामांजनेयागली विशेष पूज जाता आणि
हांव सांगू त्या दिसो शिरालींतू तीर वसता.
Correct.
Can you please tell something about the Tirupachi?
Sure. The Rathotsava is an occasion when our Aradhya Devata Shri Bhavani Shankar comes out to meet his devotees. During this Utsava, special prayers are offered for the welfare of all the people. Various auspicious ceremonies are conducted.
What are they doing, Pachi?
Lord Bhavani Shankar is served by his Ganas. These Daivas protect the mutt and its surroundings. During Rathotsav, important rituals are performed to please them with offerings and worship. Can you hear the distinct music being played on the instruments?
What are these instruments called?
Good question. So children, please make a note of the Sanskrit names of these instruments. Etani Panchavadyani Mridangaha Patahaha Kahalam Jayaghanta Talaha. Etani Vadyani Bhagavatah Shivasya Ativa Priyani. During the week-long Utsava, Lord Bhavani Shankar is taken in palki with the accompaniment of this divine music. People wait eagerly to get a darshan from a close distance. devotees who come for Teru participate in the religious and cultural programs and offer seva. They are blessed with the darshan of Lord Bhavani Shankar and Paramapujya Swamiji from a close distance many times in a day. And on Chaitra Shukla Purnima, they pull the majestic Ratha, the chariot of Lord Bhavani Shankar. Wow! Such a tall Teru! How is it moving forward? The devotees are pulling it with love and devotion, and Lord Bhavani Shankar, who is seated inside the Ratha, is guiding them.
Rathotsava Priya Dhrita Shama Bhaga Shriya Bhavani Shankara Shambho Bhavani Dhar Har Nandishwara Stuta Bhavani Shankara Shambho Har 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 Shambho Bhavani Shankara Shambho Shiva 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 Shambho Bhavani Shankara Shambho Bhavani Shankara Shambho Bhavani Shankara Shambho